G'day viewers, let's talk about paradise. We all know of Boracay, but I'm here to tell you about its best kept secret, Punta Bunga Beach. Forget the crowds, Punta Bunga Beach offers 700 metres of pure bliss. White powdery sand, water so turquoise it looks unreal, and coral teeming with tropical fish. It's a snorkeling paradise. And right on this amazing beach, you'll find the Movenpick Boracay. Imagine waking up to the stunning ocean views with the world-class amenities just a few steps from the sand. Movenpick's pool is amazing and its dining facilities are delicious.
One of our old favourites, the Movenpick at Boracay. Always very good service, beautiful gardens, great resort, very well run.
We're back in Movenpick, Boracay, and this is my friend Cheska. And yeah, then hello, here, welcome back.
There we are at the Movenpick, walking down the stairs to go to our room. As you can see, the gardens are absolutely beautiful. Got lots of calachuchi trees. Lots of tropical, feels like a tropical paradise. Here we are at the Movenpick Boracay, checking into room B3301. Let's have a look here. Oh, beautiful big spacious room. Nice big mirror, smart TV, a relaxing lounge, a good sitting lounge, a big king size bed, nice big air conditioning unit, and a nice big veranda which looks out over the beautiful gardens here at the Movenpick, and you can see the pool area yonder down there and the ocean through the trees. A beautiful room. Plenty of wardrobe space and a safe. And let's have a look into the bathroom here. Got a toilet, a basin, a big shower, nice big spacious bathroom. The outstanding setting for breakfast, right out on the pool area. Big pool with the calachuchi trees, the palm trees, and some accommodation around the pool. Lots of deck chairs. Then down on the beach there's lots of sunbeds. There's the Brescia restaurant over there, the Italian, which we went to last night. Beautiful. Look at the Movenpick breakfast buffet, which is outstanding. You've got some breads here, you've got the salad there, the toaster, some tea, coffee making facilities. And in through here you've got cereal, some juice, you've got cold water, calamansi, orange, and then 4 Seasons. And we've got more fruits over here, some biko, puto cheese, some congee, chicken soup and condiments for the soup. Then we have some eggs and the pork station. We've got some Chinese orange pork, some Hungarian sausage, fried noodles with pork, garlic rice, plain rice, Malaysian stir-fry eggplant with sambal, Chinese sweet sour fish, steamed chicken with ginger sauce. Then we have the egg station with the master chef here. Does a great job with the omelettes. Some bacon and cream pasta. Chicken fingers, tomato, potato, some bread pudding, some waffle station, pancakes, a little bit of honey and etc. and some donuts to finish off breakfast. Doesn't get much better than that. Woo! I love Movenpick Boracay.
After breakfast, there are so many options. You can hang out by the pool, go for a swim in the ocean, go for a walk up the beach, or do some snorkeling, or relax at this tropical paradise. And of course, there are so many photo opportunities. Very Instagrammable.
Here we are at Punta Bunga Beach. I'm about to take Annie out and show her the clams out the back off the beach here. There's 5 very large colourful clams.
They are spectacular greens and blues. Then if you go 20 metres from there, you're finding Nemo, and then some spectacular coral. Movenpick is the perfect place for a photo shoot. If in the afternoon you get a little bit peckish, every guest is welcome to join in for the chocolate hour down in the main breakfast area. From chocolate hour, you can wander down to the beach and see some of the most spectacular sunsets in the world. Boracay, they're absolutely fantastic. Sunsets over the water.
Well, at Russia we're having a tropical pizza as entree and a 4 cheese pizza. Look absolutely outstanding. Main meal here is fruity demand.
I don't think it does because I like
Pasta,
I like juicy, so
delicious.
meals.
And another chicken parmigiana.
As I say, we call them
Very
freebies.
nice also.
We call these.
And that's the way going to the shop and the gym. And there's another cafe here. Yeah, this is the cafe. And there's a golf cart that turn around in the resort for sending some customers or staying here, and that's going to the lobby.
Movenpick offers the true Boracay experience. Secluded beauty, natural wonders, and luxurious comfort. So ditch the ordinary and discover the extraordinary beauty of Punta Bunga and the Movenpick Boracay. Your perfect escape awaits.